Hello guys! Today I want to show you how to protect cells in Google Sheets. So first, open your Google Sheets document, and now go ahead and click on the first cell that you want to lock. If you want to select multiple cells, just click on Shift and drag the cursor, the bottom arrow key of your keyboard or your mouse, to select all the cells that you want to lock. Like this. Now, hit right mouse click. Go ahead and click on View More Cell Options and click on Protect Range. Now, here, enter a description to protect the Google Sheet cells. So, for example, do not touch. And select the range from which cell number 1 to 5, for example here, and click Set Permissions. And here you can restrict who can edit this range. So, you can select only you or a custom, another person who can also edit the range. And you can also click on Show Warning when someone is editing this range and click on that. And that's it, guys. We successfully protected the Google Sheets cells in few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.